Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add ChatGPT to your Google Docs on your computer easily. First off, as you can see, I am on the Google Docs, and here you'll see this extensions button. You're going to click on that. You're going to hover into add-ons, and then you're going to click on to get add-ons, and then search for GPT for Sheets, and then you're going to see the GPT for Slides and Docs extension. Click on that, and then click on Install right here. Click Continue, and sign into your Google account. Then click on Done right here and close this up. And then you're going to click on the extensions there. You will find GPT for Slides and Docs. Simply hover over it and click on Start. Wait for a while until this menu appears on the right side of the corner. After that, you're done. Here you can create text, improve the already written text, add stock images, or even generate AI images. Now, when you give it any prompt right here to ChatGPT, it will work as intended in your Google Docs. For example, I'm going to type, "Write me a welcome email," and then press enter. It will start generating it. After that, you can copy it or insert it directly by clicking on this option. There it, everyone. That's how easy it is to install ChatGPT to your Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.